My name is Taylor Ellis. I am from Elgin, Iowa, and I'm graduating from the dental assisting program. I was majoring pre-nursing. I actually changed my major just because it seemed to have a little more interest, and I just liked the way that the flow worked as a dental assistant and the workforce, what it had to offer. I've learned so many things that I never would have thought about with dental at all. Just the different things that we need to know and then applying them in private practice, and just having the knowledge of those things going in to a job just makes me feel a lot more comfortable. Meeting so many people, I wasn't really getting that experience when I was doing my gen eds because you have so many different classes, but actually being in a program, you start to make more connections with your classmates, and it was just really nice to kind of say that I'm gonna have lifelong friendships after this. I job shadowed a general practice, so your normal dentist, but I'm also kind of interested in pediatrics, so children and kids, which I think would be really fun. My plans are to hopefully get a job somewhere near back home and just work from there and see where it takes me.